How to create wet paint effect in CorelDraw. How to create wet paint effect in CorelDraw. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I am Emma Graphics, and on this channel I take you through step-by-step tutorial on how to create graphics or perform graphic design work, and we also touch other packages as well, like Photoshop and the likes. Kindly subscribe to my channel and stick to the end of this video. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just keep this somewhere here. So the first thing you are going to do is to type your text. This is your text tool. You click on it and then you click here and start typing. Okay, wet paints, for instance. So this is text. So the next thing you are going to do, we are going to change the fonts. So you come here to your property bar and click on these fonts, and you can choose whichever font, but it has to be something bold, like kind of bold fonts, something like this. So once you have your bold font selected like this, the next thing you are going to do is to go and import the picture, whatever you are going to put in the background. So I'm going to go to my import. I'll click on import. Okay, so I'll click on import. Hold on a minute. So I'm going to import this background, just to have a background on it. So I will import this particular background, then import it and bring it to your work area. All right, so I'm going to have it here. So once that is done, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on effect, select the wet paint text, that's the text, click on effect and come to distort. All right, click on this distort. You will see wet paints here, so click on it. So you have something like the dialog box will display. So you have something like this. So now you can click the wetness, you can change the wetness from 50 to whatever. So I would prefer 30, 40. Let me leave it at 40. So 40 for the wetness. The percentage could be 100. Yeah, just leave it the way it is and then click on OK. All right, you can leave it at 100. The percentage could be 100. That depends on what you want. So once you are done doing that, so the next thing you are going to do, click on bitmap and click on mode. Convert it to bitmap first. Click on bitmap, convert it to bitmap, and the resolution should be 300, and then RGB, and leave it at this 24. And yeah, just click on OK. All right, once you are done, go back to bitmap again and click on mode and click on center outline trace, rather click on outline art, click on line art. So you are going to trace it, so you wait for it to load so that you can trace. So once you are done tracing, click on OK. So you can leave everything like this, 25 for the smoothing. Yeah, the details will be like this, and then specific automatically checked, and just click on OK. So once you are done, you bring it down. You can now delete this particular one. So this is the one we trace. So from here, as you can see, you can now paste this. Let me duplicate this. Power clip this into the frame. So you can power clip into the frame just like that, then edit the frame and expand the background to cover the entire area. All right, something like this. All right, so you click finish. So this is how we were able to create our wet paints. So now, as you can see, it's not as deep as what we have here. If you look closely, you can see the wet paint is so deep. So this is because we reduce the wetness. So if you want to increase the wetness, like we did earlier, so you can give it a bold color, then give it a bold color. You can convert it, click on effect, click on distort, and click on wet paints. Then you can increase this to 50. So once you increase this to 50, you're going to have something like this, as you can see. You click on OK, and you convert it to bitmap 300 resolution. Click on OK. Then you click on outline. Click on bitmap. Click on outline trace. Click on line art. So the line art will give you, it will trace it very well for you. And hold on for a few seconds. So now it's well traced. So you can click on OK. Now, as you can see, this is deeper than the first one we did. So you can delete this one. So this is the one we need. So you can see, if you compare this, so let's power clip this into the frame. So we edit it like we did earlier. We expand this to cover the entire paint. So you click on finish. So if you look closely, you see, look at this particular one, the first one here. You can see that the wetness is deeper than this, the first one we did. Okay, so that's how you create wet paint effect. Okay, share this video, like this video, and tell me what you think. If you have a question, drop it under the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.